Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. In today's tutorial, we are channeling the strength and elegance of Mulan with a stunning outfit that balances grace and power. If you want to know how to create this look, let me show you the steps. Here, first let's make the hair. Let's click on straight category in here, and first I'm going to put on this long straight hair and change the color into black and combine it with this hair. And now let's create the outfit. So first I'm going to just go to the women's sections and put on this set in here and toggle it into skirt only and change the color into this yellow color. For the first preview, you can copy the hex code, and the second preview I'm going to use this blue color, and I'm going to grab this sleeves and change the color into green, this green color in here, and also the second and the third. Then for the shoe, I'm going to grab these heels and change the color into yellow. And now I'm going to put on these two currency items. The first one here, I'm going to put on this top from the currency item. First preview green, second one and the third one make it yellow. Then you can combine it with this dress, but here I'm going to only use the sleeve, so change the color into green, just like this. And this is it. And that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on thanks. Bye.